back to my channel and to another vlog. Today I feel like so much has already happened in this house, but I haven't been able to film any of it because it was a mad rush this morning. The boys and I actually slept in, so we had half an hour to get everyone fed, snacks, get everyone dressed and out the door. And then as soon as we got back from the school run, a big van arrived to pick up the bed that we just sold on eBay. So then there was that. But now I've just had a shower and I'm getting ready for the day, but I'm actually putting on probably more makeup than I normally would because tonight I'm actually going out with my girls. So I'm kind of getting half ready now for a 7 p.m. table, even though it's like 10 a.m. this morning. Does anyone else have to do that? I just know once I get the kids home from school and we do like dinner and get them all organized, I know I won't have that much time to get ready for tonight. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair, put on like eye makeup and everything now, so that I just need to like touch up before I go tonight. But I'm really looking forward to it because I didn't know if it would be cancelled. I've had quite a few things already cancelled, like my work Christmas do. We're having no mums nights out with the school mums at all because of COVID and everything. But we do have a table booked tonight with my friends, so I'm really looking forward to that. Oh, and I've also had a few questions about my concealer because the Clarins instant concealer that I used to use, and some of you guys did, has been discontinued, which was a real shame because I love that one. But I've been using this one from Too Faced. It's called Born This Way, and I quite like it. I wear it in vanilla, and I quite like the coverage and everything under my eyes. And I've got some of my highlighter on from Iconic as well. But anyway, I'll finish getting ready, and then I'll show you what we're gonna get up to today. And this video has actually been sponsored by KiwiCo, so I'll show you a bit more about them, and I'll have a discount code linked in the description down below as well. But for now, let's blow dry my hair and get dressed. Right, so I'm all ready for today and tonight as well. So I thought I would come downstairs and see Kiki, and she's literally eating my boot on the couch. She actually went out for her walk today with Matt. He did it first thing. So normally after she's had a little walk, she'll have a sleep. So I'm hoping she might do that now because I was gonna try and do a few things, and the builders are here. So if you hear anything, that's them. They're doing something with the scaffolding because the steels are getting put in tomorrow. So we've got a big crane coming, and so that's exciting. Kiki, give me that shoe. Give me that shoe back. I wanted to show you guys the kids' KiwiCo crates. They arrived this morning and they saw them, so they want to do it after school today. But I wanted to let you know that once again, I do have a discount code for you guys, so I'll put that link in the description down below. It's going to be 50% off your first month on any crate. And I often get asked on Instagram what the discount code is, so it's the same as last time. It's going to be kiwico.com/Emily50. Okay, so at this point the building work got really noisy, so I thought instead I would just show you the KiwiCo crates because I think that they would make an amazing gift. Either they're monthly subscriptions, or they also do great holiday projects which you can buy as a one-time purchase, like in addition to their subscriptions. So if you don't know what KiwiCo is, it is a flexible subscription box. So each month it arrives at your door, and inside the crate there are amazing hands-on projects and toys for your kids to play with. They have great activities inside them, and they're also very educational. They expose the kids to STEAM concepts, so that is science, technology, engineering, art, and math. And each month there's a different theme, so they're always learning something new. And there are 8 different subscription lines, so there is literally something to suit every age, and there's so many different topics. The crates are so convenient. They come with everything that you'll need to complete the projects inside. They also have detailed kid-friendly instructions and an educational magazine, which has further learning and content about the crates theme. Yeah, so with KiwiCo, you're not just teaching your kids to buy, but you're teaching them to build. So if you want to get your children or a friend's children a gift that is also educational, keeps them busy for ages, I would highly recommend them. My boys love doing the KiwiCo crates. Whenever I pull them out, they get so excited, and they also have really cool holiday projects on their website, so definitely check those out. It's quite nice to have something like that at home, so that if you are having like a slower day during the Christmas period, you can pull them out. It's like a really exciting project to do together. So once again, my discount will be linked in the description, and back to the video. Right, so now I'm gonna clean our under the stairs cupboards, our hats, scarves, gloves, like everything. It is such a mess, and now that it's cold, it's actually making it really difficult to find what the kids need before they go off to school. So I am going to do it today, just get it all out and vacuum and put it all into baskets and organize it.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy.
Look, so this is our under the stairs cupboard, and it's actually such a good size. So I think eventually we would love to make this like a little bed area for Kiki. Obviously we'd have to like box all of this in so it's nice and safe. But it would fit a bed so well, and she's really interested. And like, I know she's in a crate at the moment, but hopefully when she's older, she can just have a space like this, so she won't have to be in the crate at all. Look, she's really having a good sniff around. Look, should we see what it's like with a bed in there for you? Kiki, look, I've put one of her millions of beds, but she's just eating the hats. Look, Kiki, look, there's a bed. Not interested. This is how the cupboard's looking now. We have scarves in here, hats in here. I need a bigger basket, and also gloves in here. This is gonna make my morning so much smoother. So I'm really pleased that I finally did that. Okay, right, so now I've come upstairs to try and do a voiceover for tonight's video. It's like a get it all done type video, but I know it's gonna be tricky because the builders keep drilling on and off, so it's really difficult to film or voice over. What I should have done is voice this over last night, but we got in quite late from Fraser's birthday and then put all the kids to bed and basically just passed out. So I'm gonna try and do it now. I'm gonna try and do it quickly as well, because I've got a few other things that I need to get done today. So I've come upstairs to Caleb's bedroom. I feel like his room is the furthest room away from the building work. So fingers crossed this is gonna work. But when you see that video, just think of me sat here on the floor trying to do the voiceover. So yeah, I've got my microphone. This is the one I use. I think it's called a Yeti Blue or something. I quite like it. Oh, I need the adapter though. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a Get It All Done video. Today I'm going to show you everything that we did on Sunday. There's a bit of baking, an outing, but also lots of sorting out when it comes to the house. Our building work is really happening now, so we've had to move around what rooms we're living in. So I'll show you how we're living now. It definitely feels like we're on a proper building site now. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I just woke up on Sunday and thought we had so much stuff to do that I would just film everything that we get up to, and I hope you enjoy it. So with all that said, oh wait, no, hold on. So then I start, oh no, that's it, prepping for the birthday as well. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And Jackson, who's that one from? Can I see?
It's Mia.
It's from Mia. Good boy. That's right.
Who's this from?
Who's that from? Rory?
Jackson.
It's to Jackson from Joey. No.
Joseph.
Joe. Yeah, there you go.
That means Joe.
Joe. Right, so the boys are home from school and they've got some lovely Christmas cards, and now they're just doing their chalkboard ornaments KiwiCo crate. We've been saving this one, so they just sat at the table painting over here. So I'll show you how they do it. It's for 5 and up. He's on a 5 and up.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that
Right, so now I'm wrapping up a few more presents to send to my sister. I really need to send this off first thing tomorrow, or I don't know if it's gonna make it. I think I showed you this, but this is from my niece, the little headband. And then I also got her this little rainbow cardigan from Next. I love sending her clothes because she really is into clothes. My sister said she's always like styling up outfits and stuff. And I also got her this little tie-dye dress, which I thought was really cute. And also this little sparkly handbag. I am waiting for one other thing to come, but it's not come, and I think I need to send it off. But I think she'll love like all of that. And for my nephew, my sister said he's really into board games now. He's 7 years old and he has this one here called Ticket to Ride, but he has the Canadian one. So I said that there was one in London and she said that he would really like that. So I'm gonna send that. And then because she said games, I'm literally just sending all the games that our boys really like. So I've got that one, Exploding Kittens, and Sushi Go as well. So that is for my nephew. And then for my sister and brother-in-law, I've pretty much got them like smelly, fragrancy things. I think I might have shown you these before, but I won't show you inside because she might watch this. But I'm just gonna wrap everything up, and also gonna send her a Christmas card. And I tend to always put pictures of the boys in Christmas cards for family. I think that's just like a really nice thing to do. So I might show you their photos. It's really cute because this is the only year all 3 boys will be at primary school together. So we managed to get a photo of all of them on the photo day, and it's really cute. But they're not really smiling. Like Fraser said, the photographer said like not to smile too much, which is a bit weird. But I'll show you the picture. Yeah, so this is the one of the 3 of them, and then I've also sent her like an individual photo. So that's those ones, like all the individual ones, so cute. So yeah, just gonna package all this up and then send it off first thing. Hope that it gets there.
present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew.
Right, so excuse the absolute mess of my house. There are clothes on the banister ready for tomorrow. There's a big mess over there where I couldn't decide what to wear, but I wanted to quickly show you the dress that I'm wearing. It is only a Wednesday evening, but because so much stuff has been cancelled for Christmas, I bought this dress for like a work Christmas thing, and it's been cancelled, so I'm just gonna wear it. I know it's Wednesday, but Matt said just go for it. So this is me already, and my friends are gonna pick me up any minute.
Bye.
Be good. Love you. Bye, Jax. He's upside down.
Don't kiss me.
I want the red lipstick. Can you be good for Daddy?
My friends are
Yeah.